Hey, in this video, I'm going to quickly talk to you about a delivery I just had. Dropped off at the front porch. Could not be more excited. I am live from the living room space, so could not be more excited. So great things are happening, and I'm going to show you what just came into the foyer. And I'm telling you, dropped it on the floor. And this is how we're getting the $200 payment. In this video, because you're going to like the video, consider subscribing to the channel. Subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell. So when I upload a video, you'll be the first to, and make sure you like this video. I really would appreciate it. We're having a great day out here in the beautiful state of North Carolina. Could not be more excited. And the weather is beautiful, about 59 degrees today. And look, we just came to the front porch. That 200 cash daily flyer. If you can put this flyer in the mailbox, and if you can mail it and remain consistent. I got this from Best Value. UPS just bought it. Best Value copy. And we're mailing these on a consistent basis. And folks, we're getting $200 per sign up, and they're coming in every single day. There's that $1,000 a week solution flyer. That thing's incredible. You get $100 on 3 levels when you sell the products and the services. Both these programs have product, service, and value. Again, product, service, and value. And all you do is remain consistent. We're using Wilson's List, and big shout out to Rodney down in Fayetteville. He's bringing in people on this flyer. Big shout out to Rodney. Melissa over there in Virginia. Tom down in Texas. Big shout out to Charles Townsend. He's bringing in people on this flyer. Big shout out to Reggie in New York. Great things are happening. Folks, mail the flyer. Get involved, mail that flyer. Have a box drop on your front porch, and you can win. Again, you get paid $200 on 3 levels. And that is exciting. You're going to get a marketing kit with each of the programs. You're going to get a report. You're going to get labels. You're going to get unlimited support and help when you need it. Folks, great things are happening. 2023 and beyond is going to be beyond our wildest imagination. So that's what we're doing. Having a great time. And could not be more excited about what we've got going on. Give the video a big like, a big thumbs up. We'll get the flyer requested. The information will be in the description of the video. And we'll see you on the next one.